Hi guys, my name is Zaki. I'm a part of the Godrej Nature's Basket team. Welcome to this exciting video on cheese and meat platters. This video will give you a step-by-step understanding on how to make a cheese and meat platter. A platter is used to serve a wide variety of cheese and meat of different shapes and colors, along with a wide variety of different garnishes as well. It is extremely important to ensure that our platters look attractive and have the right color combination, as these are a great value addition to our customers' parties, events and functions.
Hey guys, my name is Girish Kadam and I'm working with Godrej Nature's Basket. I'm here to take you through a step-by-step understanding of how our cheese platters are made. A platter is used for serving a variety of cheese with different colors and shape, along with a bits of crackers, vegetables, fresh fruits and nuts. So now let's talk about cheese platters. Our platters will include different types of cheese. Hard cheese like Parmesan, semi-hard cheese like cheddar, soft cheese, goat cheese, brie, blue cheese, and then some flavored cheese like flavored Gouda, flavored cheddar and smoked cheese. A platter of this size should include 4 to 5 types of cheese. The quantity of the cheese may differ depending upon the size of the platter. Before you start making a platter, ensure you have platter, 4 different types of cheese, some of the different elements that can be used as garnishing, the vegetables like parsley, like lettuce, like cherry tomatoes, fruits like kiwi, red currant, grapes, strawberries, dry fruits like walnuts and crackers.
Now that we have had a look at all the different ingredients that can be used in making a cheese platter, it is also important to ensure that we have all of these ingredients cut in proper shapes and sizes and readily available at one place. This will help us to save a lot of time when we are making a cheese platter. To help us with getting the right shapes and sizes for all that various cheese that we're going to be using, you can either use a cheese board or you can use a cheese slicer. In this video, we will be showing you how to use a cheese board to cut the different cheese in various shapes and sizes. Place the soft cheese on top of the cheese board, open one end of the board and pull out the string. Pull the string across the middle of the cheese with the help of the lever on one end of the board and keep bringing the string down. This will cut the cheese right through the middle. Pull the string out again, place the cheese back to cut it at a different place, and once again bring the string down with the help of the lever. This will again cut the cheese. You can continue to do this until you get the proper shapes and size of the soft cheese. Ensure that you have a clean tray readily available where you can start placing the different cheese slices as well as the ingredients. This will ensure that you have all the ingredients readily available at one place. To cut semi-hard cheese like smoked cheese, you need to first use the knife and make approximate markings on top of the cheese. This is done so that we can get even shaped slices of the cheese. Once the markings are done, you can now open one end of the board, pull out the string and place it where you had made the marking with the help of the knife. Once you have done this, bring the string down with the help of the lever on one end of the board. As you can see, this will now give you evenly shaped slices. You need at least 2 to 3 slices to get you the exact shape that you will be using for your cheese platter. Once you have cut these evenly shaped slices, what we are going to be doing now is creating small triangles with the help of a knife. Cut the slice in the middle and create small triangles as you can see in the video. You need to ensure two things. One, ensure that all these triangles are of even shape, and two, ensure that they are small enough to be able to be picked up with the help of a toothpick. This is extremely important because when the platter is sold to a customer, the customer should be able to eat any of these small triangles with the help of a toothpick. Next, we will be cutting sticks out of cheddar cheese. To get evenly shaped sticks, first we need to cut a thick slice of the cheddar cheese. To get this, similar to the earlier cheeses, place the cheese on top of the board and bring the string down. Ensure that the slice this time is slightly thicker. Once you have the slices ready, you can use a knife to carve out long sticks of even shaped of this thick slice. Please ensure that all the sticks that we are creating out of the cheddar cheese are of even shape. Once you have created long sticks, you can cut them right in the middle, and this will give us smaller sticks of even shape. Next, we will be cutting the Gouda cheese. To cut the Gouda cheese, first cut the Gouda cheese in the middle with the help of a knife. Make a small marking with the help of a knife, then pull out the string. Place it where you had made the marking with the help of a knife and bring the string down with the help of the lever on one side of the board. This will cut the Gouda cheese right through the middle. It is important that you use the knife to cut the wax on the top. If you do not use the knife to make the marking and cut the wax, that can also lead to breakage of the string. Once you have done this, now you can use the knife once again to make a marking and cut through the wax on the top. Remember that we need a thicker slice this time. Now take the string and place it where we have made the marking with the help of the knife. Once again bring the string down with the help of the lever. This will give us a thick slice of the Gouda cheese. Now that we have a thick enough slice, we will be making small cubes with the help of a knife. Before you start making a platter, it is extremely important that we have some idea of where we are going to be keeping the different slices and shapes of cheese on our platter. It is extremely important that we have some clarity of thought, as this will help us to make the platter look attractive and also save us a lot of time. Now, once you have a fair idea of where the different cheese slices and shapes are going to be placed, you can start creating your platter. While you're creating the platter, also ensure that you maintain a good color combination. It is always good to ensure that you have contrasting colors next to each other, as this gives the platter a nice visual appeal. Once you have placed all the cheese on the platter, now you can fill up the remaining areas with the help of different garnishes. This will help to give a much fuller look to our platter, thereby making it much more visually appealing. To further enhance the look of our platter, you can use different fruit carvings. What we are showing you in this video is a carving of the fruit kiwi. You can use a knife and create a zigzag carving in the middle of the kiwi and use one half of the kiwi to be used on the platter. The next crucial step is cling wrap. Cling wrap is done on top of the platter to ensure that all ingredients remain fresh and the visual appeal of the platter is maintained for a longer period of time. To do this, you need to have a roll of cling wrap. Ensure that the cling wrap is dragged across all areas of the platter. Pull it as tightly as possible so that it gives a nice tight look and the wrap is tightly done on all areas of the platter. A tightly wrapped cling wrap on top of the platter will ensure, number one, that there are no air bubbles inside the platter, and also the look is maintained. And there you have it. Our cheese platter with the cling wrap is now ready.
A platter of this size should include 4 to 5 types of meat. So now let's talk about meat platter. Some of different kinds of meat includes cured, extra cured, processed. Cured ham like salami Milano, extra cured ham Serrano, processed meat like smoked turkey breast, barbecue ham, shoulder ham and chicken chili salami. Quantity of meat may differ depending upon size of the meat platter. Before you start making a platter, ensure you have 5 to 6 types of meat, and all of these can be used as a garnishing on your meat platter like capers, black olive, gherkins, pickled onion, green olive, parsley, Roman lettuce.
Before you begin creating the platter, it is important that you have a good idea of where you are going to be keeping the different meats on the platter. This will help you in saving a lot of time as well as creating attractive platters. Once you have placed all the meats on the platter, ensure that all the remaining areas are filled up with the help of garnishes. This gives the platter a fuller look and thereby making it much more visually appealing. Also, unlike the cheese platter, it is slightly more difficult to get a good color combination in a meat platter. Hence, it becomes very important that we choose the right garnishes which can add to the color combination of our meat platters, thereby making it much more visually appealing. The next crucial step is cling wrap. Cling wrap is done on top of the platter to ensure that all ingredients remain fresh and the visual appeal of the platter is maintained for a longer period of time. To do this, you need to have a roll of cling wrap. Ensure that the cling wrap is dragged across all areas of the platter. Pull it as tightly as possible so that it gives a nice tight look and the wrap is tightly done on all areas of the platter. A tightly wrapped cling wrap on top of the platter will ensure, number one, that there are no air bubbles inside the platter and also the look is maintained. Once the platters are ready, it is also important to know how to place these platters inside the serve-over counters. The most important thing is to ensure that the temperature is maintained at all times so that the ingredients inside the platter can remain fresh. To do this, ensure that the platter is placed at a dedicated location inside the serve-over counter on top of an acrylic riser. The acrylic riser will ensure that the platter is visible to the customers and has a visually appealing look. At the back of the platter, ensure that we have stickers indicating the price of all the ingredients used in the platter. Ensure that we have the manufacturing date as well as the expiration date of the platter mentioned and the final price of the platter at which this is going to be sold to the customer. All of these stickers need to be placed on a butter paper that can be placed underneath the platter in the serve-over counter. Thanks for watching this insightful and informative video about platter making. I hope this video will help you to recreate some of these beautiful platters at your stores. In case of any questions, please do reach out to us. We will be more than happy to help you. That's it then. All the best and happy selling.